Guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, today I'm going for my checkup, my cool scalp checkup. So guys, I'm taking you along with me. So guys, I'm not gonna be doing any video along the way because I'm gonna park my vehicle at a bus stop. We have a park there. I'm gonna take the bus into the city. I'm gonna ride back with Tony home to the truck stop and then take my vehicle later. So when I'm in the city, I will start doing the video. Okay, see you then. This is what they park at the bus stop and then catch the bus. So I'm waiting on the bus now. Oh, here comes the bus. Yes. I'm in the mall. I don't really want to put the camera on anybody, so I'm holding down this section of it. Remember Lush that they are moving it into this space at the moment. They are at that little space, and this is the laser clinic place that I'm going into, but it's not. I did it upstairs here, but I'm going in here now. Yeah. So guys, I'm going up to level 2 to do my going up to level 2. I'm gonna take the lift up. Oh my god, the rain was falling, so my hair got a little bit wet. I think I should just take the escalator up instead of using the lift. So guys, I'm feeling so happy. My tummy is I'm looking like guys, let me show you some of the shops up here. Hold on. See? So that's where I'm going, guys. Level 2. So guys, I am upstairs going into the laser place. Right. So you see, I'm looking good, right? Simone did a good job on this.
Oh, she's amazing.
Yeah, she did a good job. Guys, can you see my tummy? It's gone.
I need that job.
I'm a nutcracker. Let me see some. Yeah. Guys. Look at my tummy. So guys, I'm going downstairs. They're changing me from upstairs to downstairs, so I'm going downstairs. I'm inside. I'm gonna do a review on my So guys, I'm going to be doing a laser on my chin, so let's get into that. But I was going to do a laser and tell you that I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to do the laser here. Tell me don't look so big.
Beautiful. What did Tony say?
Speechless.
Ah. We always leave you speechless. Pop your head up for me, love. I'm going to tuck this under. Feel okay?
So guys, I'm just going to do my chin. Sorry I told you that was the end of the video. But I didn't finish.
Change of plans.
Change of plans, guys. So, I'm doing my chin.
Alright, just let me know how this feels today, alright? If it's fun at all, you tell me straight away.
You remember where you saw the fine ones the last time?
Yes.
Right.
I can see them, don't worry, love. A little bit under here as well.
Just tell me when you're going to do it, so I'm not surprised.
No worries, darling.
Because it have a stinging, it have a stinging.
Little bit of a rubber band flip.
You know I prefer to put on the glasses, the shades.
Do you?
Yeah, I don't like this.
You don't like these ones? Alright, we'll take them off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave the cotton pads there though, just for a little bit of extra protection. But if you're not feeling very comfortable.
Okay, it squeeze down on the eyeball. I don't know. Yeah, that's better.
Like that is good? Comfortable? Alright. We don't want to squeeze your eyeballs.
No. No.
Alright, we're going to start in a couple of seconds, okay? You'll feel the wind before anything, alright?
Oh my god.
You'll be fine, you're good at this. Alright, you ready? You okay, love? You alright? Little bit of a shock. Good job. Good job. No pain, no gain, huh? You alright? Good job. One little one here. Turning the head this way a little bit better. Good job. Doing really well. Good. Not hot, just a little bit of a pinch. Good job. Almost done. A few more left. And just a couple here. Good job. Beautiful.
Wow.
You can take the glasses off now, love, and I'm just going to put some cream and some sun protection on.
So guys, here is your glasses.
Yes, thank you. Alright, a little bit of cream there. You good? It's okay? Okay, Mama. All done. Alright. Once you've finished your party, come to the front when you're ready, alright, love?
I'm finish the party.
That's it.
So guys, I'm up. So now is the end of the video because I forgot about my chin. So bye guys.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.